Right, welcome back to another video. It's Christmas nearly, so I got my Christmas stuff on, and I thought I'd put some Christmas bits in the shed. This bit of intro was just to show you what I've got for the Peugeot and my little dilemma. So, as you all know, I ordered the wrong wing. So that's the new wing, which I'm going to open up in a moment so we can see if it's the right one. And then my dilemma was returning the other one. The wing only cost me $35.99 because it was my mistake. I had to pay return postage, it's not faulty. So I've returned it. It's £7.50 via my Hermes, and the guy took it. I measured it and it was all alright. And yeah, so the guy took it, and then my Hermes had contacted me and saying it's too big, they won't deliver it unless I pay another £10.50. So, you know, $7.99 plus £10.50, I'm thinking, is it really worth it? So I've emailed them back and said just return it back to me. I'm guessing they're going to say no, we can't do that until you pay the fee. So I either stand to just make £15 out of everything by returning it and lose at the same time. If I pay the fee and send it back, then all I'm getting back from the company is £15 really. So I might tell them just to dispose of it because it's going to cost me even more. It's just so pointless for the sake of that. But you know, that is how it is, and I'll rather have it returned and I'll just keep it. I'd rather sell it on Facebook for 20 quid or something stupid. But yeah, so we've got that one. So let's have a quick look at the bits that I've got so far. So we've managed to get the inlay part. Sorry you can't see me, but the camera doesn't stretch that far. Well, I'm trying to show you two parts. Maybe if we go up a bit. I don't know. Yeah, so that's the part to go inside the bumper in the corner. I might as well open that and show you. This is a non-genuine part, but you know, it's better than not having one. I did try genuine parts, but there just wasn't much. This is the bumper bracket. And this is a genuine Citroen part, and this was on eBay. And this is what's missing off the original. But this is the bumper bracket that fits between the... Ooh, break it before we've had it. Fits between the wing and the bumper, and obviously previously, as you saw, they used south tap-in screws to fix them together. When they could just brought that, and it was like $6.99 I think from a genuine Citroen garage, free delivery on eBay. So that's that. And then what I brought was some fibre wheels. I've been meaning to buy these for ages, so I got a pack of 5 off Amazon, and what these do is enable you to get a paint off metal and plastic and wood without damaging the underneath. So like if you were trying to get some paint off metal, for instance, it wouldn't break the metal, or it wouldn't damage the metal. So at the moment, if I use like a flapper disc, which is one of them, that's great at getting paint off, but it also takes the metal off underneath. So this would stop that, and it would just take the top layer off. So they're called fibre discs. Oh, I think I have actually found some other names for them as well, but my word is for them when I was looking for them was fibre discs. I mean, these are called polystrip discs on this one, tool to fit an angle grinder. So there we go. So if you're interested in one of those, I will show you one of those in action. I bought that, I think they were about £15 for 5. They do go down really quick, they don't last, but you know, if you're stripping something down, if you're stripping metal down or plastic and all you want to do is take the paint off, well that will save you the trouble anyway, because it's only taking the paint off. If you know, for instance, if you took a chunk of plastic out or a chunk of metal out, you'd have to fill that. So those are for that. What else have we got? Yeah, we've done the wing, so let's get the wing out. Right, so I do really hope this is the right wing. It's got to be the right wing. You can't see if he's in now, it wouldn't be. I should have gone and got some painted, but I haven't. I might have to go in the wing. It's a bit it's really hard to do things when you go to work and then come back and it's dark. I can do bits in the shed, but you can't really do much outside, it's just so dark. So I've been itching to do things all week, but I've been waiting for the weekend. So today is Saturday the 12th, and I just put the video on of the third part of the bumper. So at least I can fit this even if there's no paint in it. And of course they come primed, so that's good. Right, let's chuck that over there. Right, so let's just double check it even says on it. So replacement parts, where is it? Left hand. They were pretty fine accepting the return as well. Annoyingly, when I went to do the return on eBay make you use their preferred delivery service. It was Royal Mail or My Hermes. So I went to go to Royal Mail or Collect Plus. I went to Collect Plus to take one parcel back anyway, which was for my Mini. And then the lady decided to tell me, sorry, we can't accept that, it's too big. So I went back to eBay and told them, and they said, well, you have to use one or the other. And so I had to cancel the return in the end, and then when I went to reopen it, they said, sorry, you've already cancelled it. So I was like, oh, great. So I contacted the company, and they said, just send it back anyway. And they'll do a return. But I think stupid, forcing you to use their companies. Right, so let me just get the camera. Sorry if you can hear the old boy diesel pump, but it's getting chilly in here. That looks alright, that does. I just moved the diesel pump on the heater, hopefully so it wouldn't make so much noise. Oh look, it's the same again now. Oh sorry, I keep looking through the camera. Yeah. And then, that's not too bad. And I think there's a little bit on the end there. Oh, where are we? There we are. Bit on the end. Oh, looks alright. Well, at least we can stick that on anyway. I'm just gonna line up the wing. Hopefully, yeah, you can see me. So I should have some bolts attached to this car already. One there. There's one down there. Nope. So let's have a look. Rid of that one. Right, just in there there's a screw. Oops, that's on the glass. Yeah. There is a bolt in there, but I'm not gonna do that one up. I've done that light over there. I managed to find some clips, so I'll show you the clips. That was out of my pack I brought. So I'm hoping these will work. And that one in there, I don't know if they're going to suffice fully, but they hold it in pretty well. And they're pop in, so you just put the bottom bit in first, and then pop that in the top. But they would definitely work for now. So one goes in there, and one goes in there. In fact, I'll show you what I mean. The diesel heater, sorry, it just doesn't want to give up today. It's too cold by the feeling. Too cold by the looks of it. In here anyway. Right, so that's what they are. Find them that's open. So let's see where we are on that. Yeah, miles out. See that? I mean, you wouldn't even know there was a crack there now, thankfully. So that's good. Anything to go, or here? I don't know if you're going to live by the seaside. Right, so look. All lines up, that lines up. A bit out here. Well, that's fine, so that's just a screw in there. They're all on loose over here, I can push that back a bit. He's a bit out down here, but then that bit's not in. So is this bit out here? I'm guessing it is. Let's have a look at doing something with that. I've been feckling for hours. and I can't get it to line up. I thought I could try and adjust it. So if you look down here, up here, it's pretty much okay there. I mean, I can adjust this bit. It's obviously the bracket's out. It's pushed that way. You can see if you look down there, it's definitely pushed. So it's getting dark now. So tomorrow I'm going to come back out and I'm going to get my tools and pull this out that way. That's where it needs to be. These, I can bring it that way. That's not a hard job. Getting it that way. So it just needs to. There's no point me trying to make it work when it's not going to work. Right, leave it there.